What's up guys, this is Michael and welcome to Naked Crypto. Here on Naked Crypto, I show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold and sell. So if you like making money in crypto, make sure to subscribe. In today's video, I'll give you updates of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the Ethereum killers. And I do have picks for today, so make sure you watch till the end of the video. So stick around. By the way, guys, sorry about a few days ago. Yesterday, I make a video, but it was corrupted again. So let's try it again today. Anyway, today is November 25th, 2021, and we are on Fear. CoinGecko, Bitcoin it's green day today than yesterday. Yesterday was a red day, and today we see a green day. Bitcoin is 4.4% up, 6.4% up for Ethereum. Binance Coin 9.4% up. And we have Solana 2.1% up, Cardano 5.8% up. We have XRP Polkadot, Avalanche is 10.3% up. Shiba is now 6.1% up. Doge is 3.3% up. Terra Luna 9.3% up, and Litecoin 9.8% up. And we have Polygon Matic 9.4% up, and Algorand 5.4% up. And our top gainers of the day, we have Gala, Bot, CRV, Qtom, Loopring, Maker, Theta, Wonderland, Qcoin, Token. Top gainers of the week, we have Gala, Sunback, Ccash, Mana, Crypto.com, IMX, CRV, Engine Coin, Link. And top losers, Cadena, Nexo, Sushi, Shiba, PancakeSwap, Bitcoin Cash, SafeMoon, HBAR, Compound. Guys, this could be a great buying opportunity. And our crypto bubbles, we have IMX, BAT, Gala, Mana, CRV, LN, AVAX, Miota, Maina, One, Sand, Qtom, Sen, LRC, HNT, CRO. Wow, green day today, guys. Green day. And guys, before we go to the chart, if you can give me a thumbs up, that would be appreciated. It helps the algorithm. And Bitcoin, as we projected, we came from this ABC correction, and we have now wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Wave 4, and now we're looking for wave 5. Let's see somewhere here at 7,000 or even 100k, guys. Even 100k. So let's see, guys. 80k, 100k, it doesn't matter. But right now we're looking for fifth wave. And on the 4-hour chart, we see this inverted head and shoulders pattern. And looks like it's about to break on this trend line. And after that, we see, looks like we're going to count 5 waves to the upside. Ethereum, I posted this one here on TradingView, November 13th. Boom. So now we have the A and we are now on the B. Should we see another pullback? Let's find out. Now, Ethereum on the 4-hour chart, this is the original chart that we see. Our original projection is A, B, C. We are now here on looking for the downside. That will be our bearish scenario. But our bullish scenario, I see also a wave here, ABC correction. And we might see now looking for 5 waves to the upside, which is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this is our bullish scenario. And another bearish scenario could be this could develop bearish flag. So just be careful, guys. We might still see the price go down here, or we are now looking for 5 waves to the upside. Just be careful, guys. And Solana, similar. This could be our ABC correction, but I see this inverted head and shoulders pattern. So we might see this could be already our ABC correction. And now we're looking for 5 waves to the upside. So let's find out, guys. Are we still going to see this C wave here or inverted head and shoulders 5 waves to the upside? Comment down below. And AVAX, we have this wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. And I put possible sell signal here. Let's see if this one will break and go for ABC correction. I could be wrong, but just to be aware, guys, this is a bearish pattern. This is ascending channel, but just to be aware, guys, this pattern is a bearish pattern, ascending channel. We might still continue to go like this, but let's see. It's already on the 5th wave, but there's no guarantee, guys. I'm just sharing my idea. There's no guarantee. I know we don't like bearish scenarios, but it's up to you, guys. I'm just sharing my idea. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my idea. And Matic, we have this triangle here. It's on the bullish pennant. We have this bullish flag here, and the price already did pop up on this bull flag. So our target would be the all-time high, which is $2.50, but I'm pretty sure it will still go up to the upside. So this is just my opinion. This is one of my picks. And Theta, look at that. On the daily chart, we have this bullish pennant. We have this A, B, C, D, E. And now I'm looking for a break to the upside. It's a beautiful bullish pennant. So our initial target will be $15. We are now on 7, so times 2. But to measure that, from the flag, this is our plug pole. From here to here, $20, guys. That would be our target. So there you go, guys. Theta. Handshake on cup and handle. Looks like the handle is already completed. It already popped up. And our initial target will be on this level here, 54 cents. And Chiliz. We are on this triangle here, and now it already popped up from the triangle. It's also creating a bullish pennant, so the price might still bounce back here and before we go to the moon. Initial target 95 cents. We are now on a 48 cents. Our Elliott wave count, this could be our wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. This is requested by Ike Joel. There you go, my man. Chiliz. Bullish flag. Broke on this triangle. Bullish pennant. Target, initial target, 95 cents. And guys, if you find this video valuable, please give me a thumbs up, share to your friends, and make sure you subscribe to the channel to see more charts like this. Not other channel, what they do, they just talk. Here on Naked Crypto, I'll show you what coins to buy, when to buy, hold, and sell. And trade safe. Much love. Bye-bye.